In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 You Need Permission error. If you're seeing a message that you need permission to open, edit, or delete a file or folder, it usually means your account doesn't own the item or doesn't have the right permissions. We'll fix that by taking ownership and granting your account full control, all within the File's Properties window. Start by locating the file or folder that's giving you trouble. Right-click it and choose Properties. This opens a window with several tabs that control how Windows handles the item. Go to the Security tab. This tab shows which users and groups have access and what they're allowed to do. Click the Advanced button at the bottom to open the Detailed Permissions panel. At the top of the Advanced window, you'll see the current owner. If your user account isn't listed there, you may not be able to change or delete the file. Click Change next to Owner. In the box that appears, type your Windows username. If you're on a work or school computer, your username might include an organization prefix. If you're unsure, ask your administrator. Click Check Names. Windows will validate what you typed and underline it when it recognizes the account. Once it's recognized, click OK to confirm. Back in the Advanced window, click Apply to set yourself as the new owner. You may see a permission prompt. Approve it if you have administrator rights. Then, click OK to close the Advanced window and return to the Main Properties dialog. Now that you're the owner, you still need to make sure your account has the right permissions. Still on the Security tab, click Edit. This opens the permissions editor for that file or folder. In the list of users and groups, select your user account. Then, in the permissions area below, check the box for full control. Full control includes the ability to read, write, modify, and delete, which covers most tasks you'll want to do. Be thoughtful here and only grant full control to accounts you trust, especially on shared devices. Click Apply to save these changes, then click OK to close the permissions window. Click OK again to close the Properties window. Now, try your action again. Open, move, rename, or delete, and it should work without the permission error. A quick word of caution: only take ownership and grant full control on files and folders you own or manage. Changing permissions on system or shared items can affect other users or software. Use this method to regain access responsibly, and you'll resolve the "You Need Permission" error cleanly and safely.